Located on a lakefront lot in the gated section of Via Privato in the lakes of Bellaterra sits 24015 Via Privato. Come on in, let me show you around. We are excited to present this stunning home that's nearly 3,000 square feet and features 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, plus a game room. As you enter the home, you are welcomed by a 2-story foyer, gorgeous hardwood floors, and the formal dining room with plantation shutters and custom crown molding. The open family room has coffered ceilings, a gas log fireplace with a stone hearth, and floor-to-ceiling windows with lake views. The cook's kitchen features GE stainless steel appliances, including the French door refrigerator, dual ovens, granite counters, and an eat-up breakfast bar. The breakfast room has windows allowing plenty of natural light and a glass door leading to the covered patio. A great feature of this home is the second bedroom downstairs with a nearby full bath. The spacious primary suite has hardwood floors, a shiplap accent wall, and room for a sitting area, while the gorgeous primary bath features dual sinks with granite counters, a garden tub, and a tile-surrounded separate shower with glass inserts. Upstairs are 3 additional bedrooms and 2 full baths, as well as a separate game room. The covered back patio is the perfect spot to relax or entertain with beautiful lakefront views. This space is ideal for creating family memories. Just minutes to the Grand Parkway, you'll love the relaxed feel of this gated community. Call us today so we can show you why 24015 Via Privato should be your new home.